Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS SSO with Okta for employee access step by step clearly. To get started with activating AWS SSO with Okta for employee access, you first want to gather all necessary credentials. Log in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section. Click on Add Application. Search for AWS Single Sign-On in the application catalog. Select AWS Single Sign-On from the search results. Click on the Add button. In the application settings, enter a name for the application. Configure the SSO settings according to your organization's requirements. Input the necessary AWS account details in the designated fields. Now, locate the Sign-On tab. Under the Sign-On tab, click on View Setup Instructions. Follow the instructions to configure AWS SSO on your AWS console. Log into the AWS Management Console with your credentials. Select AWS Single Sign-On from the Services menu. In the AWS SSO dashboard, click Enable AWS. Return to your Okta application settings and copy the necessary SSO URL and certificate. Back in the AWS SSO dashboard, paste the URL and upload the certificate. Save your changes in AWS SSO. Now, it's time to assign users or groups. Navigate to the Users or Groups tab in the AWS SSO dashboard. Select the users or groups you wish to assign access. Click on Assign to provide access to the selected users or groups. Switch back to your Okta admin dashboard. Open your AWS application settings. Assign users or groups in Okta to the AWS application. Review the access configuration to ensure it's correct. Test the SSO integration by signing in through Okta. Monitor the sign-in process to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once complete, inform your employees about how to access AWS using Okta SSO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.